Hello, my name is Benedict Arnold. I am famous for betraying the United States of America. I negotiated with the British to abandon the U.S. post at West Point for money and control of their army. I did this because I felt that I didn't get credit during the war. I was born in 1741. I lived in Norwich, Connecticut. I was born on the 14th of January. I started out as a middle-class person with an average amount of money. My mother, Hannah Waterman King, was very wealthy. She married my father, the elder Arnold. I later was withdrawn from my short life in school due to financial problems because of poor business deals. I was still full of energy and willing to try anything. Due to my lack of schooling, I was often in trouble. I started with light filling my heart, with the darkness deep inside getting ready to take over. I wasn't evil yet. I worked in an apothecary and served in the militia. I was very ambitious. I wanted to move up in the ranks of the army. I captured the British in Fort Ticonderoga. However, sometimes I would lose my temper and get mad at my men. The Revolutionary War was upon us. Although I played an important role in the Continental Army winning the Battle of Saratoga, I didn't get credit. I went to the British with the darkness filling my heart. Now I was evil. After the war, I resided in England. The British respected me while the U.S. despised me. I died in London on June 14, 1801. I was 60. My name became alike to the word traitor. Recently, an exhibit was put on the Saratoga battlefield about me. I would have never been famous if I wasn't a traitor.